Today is our second day, guys. Nandito pa rin kami sa aming accommodation, pero nagre-ready na kami ni Greg para umalis. This is our first stop. So, isang araw lang kami matutulog dito. Wala?
I'm doing the dishes, babe.
Yeah. So, yun guys. Nagre-ready lang kami and then we're going.
We're going to pull up to the lookout first.
We're going to the lookout.
Yeah, that won't take us a second, right?
So, yun guys. Magdadrive pa kami ng another 3 days para makapunta doon talaga sa main na pupuntahan namin, which is in Adelaide. And then, after that, magsistay kami ng 6 days doon sa Adelaide para mag-ikot-ikot sa kanilang city. So, in guys, we will update you again later. Mag-ready lang ako. And then, I'll be back to you. Bye! So, yun na guys, nalagay ko na yung aking contact lens and magli-lipstick na lang ako. And then, that's it. Maglalagay pala ako ng blush on. Pwede ng konting blush on. Yan kasi napaka-sensitive yung ko pag nag-makeup. Gusto ko mag-makeup pero pag naglagay na ako ng foundation, the next day, magkaka-pimples na ako. Umukay na nga yung pimples ko ngayon kasi natutuyo na siya. Hindi na siya katulad dati na very visible siya. Yan, mga ko na lang yun sila. So, yun lang guys. Ganyan lang. Kasi baka magka-pimples tayo mamaya. Then, magla-lipstick na lang ako and then I'm done. Si Craig naglagay na siya ng isang luggage namin doon. Sa aming...
So, you do that?
The car is still there.
Just. It's moved over a couple of spots for some reason, but it's still there. Weird.
Don't joke.
Weird, babe.
So, things like this. Long dress.
Don't stand in the bin, babe.
Malab, I'm done with that, Malab.
With what, babe?
The bag.
Oh?
I will just put that in my big bag there.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, Malab. I'm not going to dry ng hair or fresh. Then done. Salamin is ready. Ayan.
Pretty good then.
So, magbababay na tayo sa ating view bed.
Pardon?
Bye na sa ating view bed.
Yeah. Could be the last time we ever look at that view, babe, ever.
Hoy!
What, babe?
Don't say that.
Oh, good. We may never get back here again.
We're gonna go to the other house, different place.
Yeah.
Fine. Sorry guys, naggugulo kayo dyan. Let's go! I already edited one video, so
Yep, ready to go.
ready to
rumble.
So yun na guys, bye na. Bye! Bye Viv! Bye Viv! So yun guys, nasa sasakyan na kami guys. Start na naman yung aming biyahe. So, mamaya ibang hotel na naman yung aming tutulugan. Wow, sana all. Ang ganda ng car na. Mayroon siyang dalawang open-open dito. Fancy.
It's good how it opens that far.
Yeah.
A lot of them don't open that far.
Yeah. So, ayan. Diba? Pero malamig. It's ano, cooler because it's windy.
Yeah, it's a little bit black up here.
Yeah, so close natin. So ibabalik I'm just showing it. So ibabalik na namin yung susi sa reception nila. Yung reception kasi nila nandun sa taas. So pagkita ko sa inyo yung view, guys. So ayan, dito kami ni Craig. Marami actually nakapark na sasakyan sa iba din na nag-ano dito. So katulad niya, no, mga ganito yung parang ano dito, yung tulugan or yung accommodation. So pupunta kami dun sa taas para isoli yung susi ng aming room. Yung reception nila. Lagay lang ni Craig yung susi dun sa kanilang ano. Na kami, guys. So dyan kami nagstay. Marami silang rooms. Yan, rooms lahat. So yung mga naka-check in din, nakasama na. Bye! Then ang ocean. So yung sa harap namin is already an ocean. That's the ano guys, seafarers.
How are you away, babe?
Huh?
Clear?
Yeah, clear. Hello! You're so cute! Guys, dito na kami sa lookout. Lakad kami ni Craig for 10 minutes. Tapos marami kami nakitang mga birds
I wonder to look at.
ibang kulay. Wow. That's nice. Yan, oh. It's just cold. This tree is so big.
Jacket on, babe.
Okay. Malaki ng puno. Maulan kasi kagabi. Yeah, we're going to the lookout kasi maganda daw. Tingnan mo yung view. Wow! Look at that. That's so pretty. Look at. It's so pretty in person, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes.
So dito kami na guys sa lookout. Maganda nga talaga siya. It's not 5 minutes.
Isn't it?
No.
Only been 4.5 so far.
Wow. Guys. Woo! It's very pretty. Wow. Dito kami sa pinakataas. Ang ganda. Hi!
Marius, look out.
Mary's lookout! Look at that, guys. We are in the top of the mountain. That's our back view. Wow, pretty. So, hi guys! So, kaalis lang namin doon sa Apollo Map.
What's that?
What's the name of that town?
Yeah, Apollo Bay.
Apollo Bay.
Yeah.
So, kumain kami ng breakfast. So, ngayon, we're on our way again. Drive, guys, to our next destination. And this is our second day so far.
Yes.
Yep.
So today there will be some pretty decent coastline to look at, I reckon, babe.
Yeah. So, we have a lot of, but
So
anyway.
we've kind of dipped into the bush at the moment, and then
Yep.
we'll pop out back on the coast
Yep.
a bit further along.
So yun guys, we were gonna vlog and update, and I'm already uploading the first vlog. That was yesterday, so hopefully when you finish watching that, watch this. Bye guys. Bye. Hey.
Pretty amazing, isn't it? How powerful the waves are.
mga tao, guys. Yan yung pinunta nila. Yan. Ang ganda, guys. Nandito kami sa Seven Apostle. So, pakita ng 12 Apostle.
These are not the apostles that I think yet, right?
Not yet?
Not yet.
Oh. So, yun siya, guys. So, ang daming tao. So, pakita namin pag malapit na kami.
Take the photo of the stairs back. Eventually you'd have to think that they're going to fall into the sea, wouldn't you?
Huh?
Eventually you...
Yeah, it's really nice, no? So, ang ganda. Nandito na kami. Ayan, oh. Wow!
Watch back, water, babe. Water.
Guys, it's so nice. Woo! Woo! Bye, folks. Guys, bye!
First stop of the day, babe.
Huh? Walk! Dito kami sa side ng wall, nag-walk. Dami pa ring tao. Woo! Apostle. Woo! Look at that. Oh, they can actually go from here to there. Ooh. Pinakita ko, ah.
Yeah, we're still full money. Get down on the beach.
No,
Someone down there.
I think it's not allowed. Woo! So pretty! Guys, ang daming tao. Guys, hello, malab. Malab.
Hey, babe. Sorry, babe. 12 apostles.
12 apostles.
Whoa.
Let's go! Oh, look at that! It's like a... It's just like a...
Just like the other one, is it?
No, it's nice. Nandito kami sa Wonambo. Ikot-ikot kami yan doon, oh. Pero, ano, meron silang Filipino store dito. Saan na yun? Doon sa unahan. Halo-halo from the Filipino store. Balik na kami sa car, guys. Ayaw ni Craig. Busog daw siya. Kami, guys, sa isa naming hotel, guys. Wow, this...
reception.
Wow.
Looks like it, doesn't it?
Wow, this...
Here we've got our own garage, babe.
Car. Oh, it's light. Wow. Dito na kami, guys, sa isa naming apartment.
Door's open whenever you're ready, babe.
Love. So vlog guys, this is this.
Number 2, stay number 2.
Number 2. Wow. What is this?
I don't know.
I'm gonna fold my...
I don't reckon that's anything. That must be connecting to the other room, maybe.
Okay, that's a garbage.
I'll hold this if you like.
I will not finish it. Wow. Where are we?
I reckon that's locked as well, so...
That's
true.
Go up. Wow, sana all. Wow, guys. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Wow.
Free upgrade, babe.
Yeah, that's our view there.
Hey?
Very nice view. And there's a table. And this is the kitchen. And this is our bed. Wow. Wow. Nice.
Walk-in wardrobe?
Yeah, and look at the toilet. It's so pretty. Hi. This is the second hotel. Thank you, my love. Fancy. So, hi guys. Ito na naman kami sa isa na naman naming, guys. Diba napakita ako na kanina. So, ito yung ipangalawa naming i-stayhan. Meron pang dalawa. Pero dito kami tonight matutulog. Yan si Greg. Hihinga lang kami. Gusto ako kumain ako ng halo-halo. Dumaan kami dun sa Filipino store. So may halo-halo sila. So kumain ako. Masarap siya. Sarap yung pagluto nila. So magtatanggal na ako ng contact lens kasi medyo irritate na yung aking mata. Mahangin din. So yan. See you again later kasi mag-i-edit pa ako. So yun guys. Hi.
Hoi.
Love, you're so guapo.
Hoi. I've never done my hair, babe.
So guapo mo, love.
I've never done my hair, babe.
You're so guapo.
Hoi.
So yun guys, nakatulog na kami ng parang 3 hours din. Ngayon. Dito na ako nag-chill, nagpapahilot. Hey guys, bibili kami pagkain. Ang ganda, oh. Wow, ang gwapo ng asawa ko, oh. You look gwapo there, my love. So, dyan kami, guys. Yan yung aming apartment. And we're just walking, looking for something to eat. But not... Yeah, similar in our place. Very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, office, yeah. The 2 blocks. Cute.
Around?
Good, so cute. Yeah. Ito na kami, guys. Sa aming, apartment.
Welcome, babe.
Welcome. Go up. Just my bed there. We're going up now. Hey! Kain na si Fred, guys. Sexy, my bed.
Hoi.
Yummy. Look at that. Wow. Guys, tapos na kami kumain. Nag-chill-chill na kami dito. So, hanggang dito na lang ang aming vlog for today. And mag-vlog ulit ako tomorrow para sa aming 3rd day. So, thank you for watching. Bye, guys.